Your home's doors are more than just functional entrances and exits. They also play an important role in security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Over time, doors can wear down, become less efficient, or even pose safety risks. If you're a homeowner in Birmingham, it's essential to be aware of the signs that indicate it's time to invest in new door installation. Here's a guide to help you identify when your doors need replacing, so you can make timely decisions that benefit your home. Visible wear and tear are one of the most obvious signs that it might be time for a new door is visible damage. This could be scratches, dents, warping, or cracks. Birmingham's weather can be harsh, with wet winters and humid summers, causing wooden doors to warp or swell. These imperfections not only affect the door's appearance but also its functionality. If your door is difficult to open or close, or if it's become unsightly, replacing it can restore both the look and usability of your home. Energy inefficiency. Older doors often lack modern insulation features, which can lead to drafts, air leaks, and an increase in your energy bills. If you've noticed that your heating or cooling system is working harder than usual to maintain the desired temperature, your doors could be the culprit. A poorly sealed or old door may allow heat to escape in winter and let in heat during summer, making your home less energy efficient. Installing a new, energy-efficient door can help regulate your home's temperature more effectively, saving you money on utility bills in the long run. Difficulty in operation. If your door sticks, creaks, or doesn't latch properly, it's a strong indicator that it's time for replacement. Over time, doors can experience misalignment due to changes in the house's foundation or simple wear. This can cause the door to become difficult to open and close, making it frustrating to use. Even if you've tried adjusting or lubricating the hinges, persistent issues could signal that the door is no longer fit for use and needs to be replaced. Security concerns. A compromised door can be an open invitation for burglars and intruders. If your door is showing signs of wear, such as a damaged lock or frame, or if it feels flimsy when you push or pull on it, it might no longer provide adequate security. A weak or damaged door is an easy target for intruders, putting your home and loved ones at risk. Investing in a new, sturdier door with updated locking mechanisms is one of the best ways to enhance your home's security. Outdated style. While functionality is crucial, the aesthetic of your home matters too. An outdated or worn-out door can detract from your home's curb appeal and overall aesthetic. If your door doesn't match the modern style of your home, or if it's simply seen better days, upgrading to a new, stylish door can instantly improve your home's first impression. Whether you're looking for a sleek modern design or a classic wooden look, there are plenty of door styles available to complement your home's architecture. Moisture damage or rot. Doors exposed to the elements are susceptible to moisture damage, which can cause wood to rot or metal doors to rust. This is especially true for exterior doors that face the harsh weather conditions in Birmingham. If you notice signs of moisture damage, such as discoloration, soft spots, or a musty smell, it's essential to act quickly. Left untreated, moisture damage can worsen and compromise the structural integrity of your door, leading to costly repairs or replacements down the line. Sound insulation issues. Another common sign that you need a new door is poor sound insulation. If you can hear noise from outside or if your interior sounds seem to echo more than usual, it could be due to gaps in your door or inadequate materials. A new door, particularly one designed with better soundproofing features, can help reduce external noise and provide a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Conclusion: your doors are an essential part of your home's functionality, security, and aesthetics. If you've noticed any of the above signs, whether it's visible damage, drafts, difficulty in operation, or security concerns, it may be time for a new door installation. Replacing old or damaged doors with new, modern options will not only improve the look and feel of your home but also offer increased energy efficiency and enhanced security. If you live in Birmingham and need assistance with door installation, don't hesitate to consult a professional. They can guide you through the process, help you choose the right door for your needs, and ensure proper installation for long-term satisfaction. Don't wait for minor issues to turn into bigger problems. Addressing door issues early will keep your home safe, comfortable, and stylish.